Please gather your notebook, your pencil, and your red folder and head to the table that's next to the classroom library. Today we're going to read some vocabulary words, learn their definitions, and use the words that we learn in sentences. So let's get started. All right. All right, look at this word. This word is docile. Docile means easily managed or handled. And a sentence with docile in it is, the scary looking dog was docile. Look at this word. This word is omnipotent. Omnipotent means having a very great or unlimited power. And a sentence using omnipotent is, Christians believe God is omnipotent. Look at this word. This word is constellation. Constellation means any various groups of stars to which definite names have been given. And using the word constellation in a sentence could look like, Orion's belt is a constellation observed in the night sky. This word is jaded. Jaded means worn out or wearied, as by overwork or overuse. And a sentence with jaded in it could be, my favorite pair of jeans has become jaded. Jeopardize. This word is jeopardize. Jeopardize means hazard, risk, or to put in harm's way. And using jeopardize in a sentence could be, Chris did not want to jeopardize his chances of getting the job, so he prepared for his interview. Now look at this word. This word is constellation, and it means any various groups of stars to which definite names have been given. Now I'm just going through the same 5 words. We're only working on 5 words today. I'm telling you, I gave you the first rotation of the 5 words. I gave you the word, the definition, and a sentence. And in a minute, you will be writing your own sentences, but you can't use the ones that I've already used. So now we're going to go through the words 2 more times, and I'm not going to be giving you any sentences with them. We're just going to do the word and the definition. That way you get used to them. So like I said, constellation is any various groups of stars to which definite names have been given. This word is docile. Docile means easily managed or handled. This word is jaded. Jaded means worn out or wearied, as by overwork or overuse. This word is jeopardize. Jeopardize means hazard, risk, or to put in harm's way. And omnipotent. Omnipotent means having a very great or unlimited power. Look at this word. This word is jaded. Jaded means worn out or wearied, as by overwork or overuse. This word is constellation. Constellation means any various groups of stars to which definite names have been given. This word is docile. Docile means easily managed or handled. This word is jeopardize. Jeopardize means hazard, risk, or to put in harm's way. And this word is omnipotent. Omnipotent means having a very great or unlimited power. Alright, so now we're going to work on them together, and you all will be writing some of your own sentences. But before we do that, we have to work on the signal. And the point of the signal is so that you guys answer in unison, and you wait until you hear my signal or see it to give your unison answer. So my signal is going to be a pencil tap like this, and you'll wait. I'll ask a question, I'll signal, and then you answer. Okay, so let's practice with a couple easy questions. So today is Tuesday. What is today? What color is my pen? What color is the sun? What letter is at the beginning of the word mat? Good job. Okay, so let's practice our vocabulary words. Let me pull them up. All right. Where everybody can see. All right. Look at this word. Read this word. What does this word mean? On your paper, write a sentence using the word. And remember, you can't use a sentence that I already used. All right. Look at this word. Read this word. What does this word mean? All right. On your paper, write a sentence using the word. Look at this word. What does this word mean? Good. On your paper, write a sentence using this word. All right, look at this word. Read this word. What does this word mean? On your paper, write a sentence using this word. Read this word. What does this word mean? On your paper, write a sentence using this word. All right, read this word. What's this word mean? All right, on your paper, write a sentence using this word. Read this word. What's this word mean? On your paper, write a sentence with this word. What's this word? What does that word mean? Good. On your paper, write a sentence with this word. Read this word. What does that word mean? On your paper, write a sentence with this word. What's this word? What does that word mean? On your paper, write a sentence using this word. What's this word? What's this word mean? On your paper, write a sentence using this word. What's this word? What does this word mean? All right, on your paper, write a sentence using this word. What's this word? What does the word mean? On your paper, write a sentence using that word. Read this word. What does the word mean? Good. On your paper, write a sentence using that word. What's this word? And what does that word mean? On your paper, write a sentence using this word. All right. Awesome. All right, so now you all are gonna practice with an engagement activity with your peers. There are gonna be two baggies, and you're gonna be peer number 1, you will be peer number 2. So peer number 1, you're gonna take baggie number 1, and you're gonna administer those to peer number 2. Peer number 1 will be the teacher, and peer number 2 will be the student. Peer number 1, you're gonna make sure that peer number 2 reads the word on the card on the front, and then selects the correct definition. There are going to be examples of various definitions, and they'll choose the right one. The answer is going to be on the back of the card so that peer number 1 knows whether peer number 2 got it right or wrong. So after peer number 2 reads and selects the definition, peer number 1 is going to check to see if that one was the correct answer. And then, after that gets done, peer number 2 is going to write a sentence with using the word as using it in the right context as well. Make sure you use correct capitalization, punctuation, and usage of the word. And then, if not, peer number 1 will explain why the answer is incorrect and what the correct answer should be regarding the definition. So then peer number 1 and peer number 2 are going to switch roles. And peer number 2 will take baggie number 2 and administer those to peer number 1. Peer number 2 will make sure that peer number 1 reads the word on the card and selects the correct definition. And again, the definitions are going to be on the back of the card. So after peer number 1 reads and chooses the definition that they think is right, peer number 2 is going to check to see if it's correct. And if it isn't, peer number 2 is going to explain why their answer was incorrect and give them the correct answer. And also, peer number 1 is also going to write sentences. They're going to make sure the sentence has the word in it and make sure it has correct capitalization, punctuation, and usage of the word regarding the definition, of course. All right, so I already gave you all the bags. I'm going to sit here and I'm going to watch you all. And I'm going to be taking notes, so just don't mind me. I can add clarification or an explanation if either of you are not sure as to why your answers are incorrect or if you're confused about something, of course. So go ahead. Alright, so now it is time for you to work on your own to choose the correct definition for each word. And you're also going to write a sentence with each word using correct capitalization, punctuation, and usage of the word. So I will give you this worksheet where it has the words and the definitions, and you'll be choosing the correct ones. And then below that, you are going to write a sentence using the word. When you finish with today's independent practice on vocabulary, we're going to work on this crossword puzzle with the words that we've been working on today. So you'll fill in the word based off the definition that's given to you at the bottom, and you'll fill in the blanks. And I'm giving you a word bank so you can choose the right word to match the definition. So here are the papers for you all. You can go ahead. Okay, good job, you guys. Thank you all for working so hard on that. So today we learned about vocabulary words. We focused on learning the definitions of 5 specific words and also writing sentences with them. So let's practice one of them one more time. All right. Read this word. What does this word mean? All right, and give me one more sentence. Write one more sentence on your paper using this word. All right, awesome job today, guys. Thank you all so much. We do have follow-up practice if you need it, if you think you're going to need some more extra practice with this, because we will be working with these words for the next 4 lessons. I gave you all the crossword puzzle. I could give you all another one. We also have some sentences that you're going to be correcting that have capitalization and punctuation errors. So this is going to be a worksheet that we're going to work on. So thank you.